What's going on, everybody? Just want to say hi, what's up, and yeah, wait. Sorry about that. I had to clean you guys off. You were a little dirty. Anyway, so what you're about to see is what I filmed yesterday. I was at a car meet in Meriden, and some pretty cool cars there. Met a few good cool people and things like that, and just got to hang out. So I want you guys to see what the Connecticut car scene is about in some parts. Apparently there's a whole lot of Subarus in Connecticut, but anyway, hopefully I got the hopefully I got the race that I was behind watching and things like that. I know it's kind of illegal, but I mean, it is what it is. And you guys are gonna see what it's like when one vehicle just completely steals the show, and it's not something that you would expect at a local car meet. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and enjoy the video. Peace. By the way, what's kind of cool is I had the only Genesis Coupe there, and a lot of people were asking questions. Of course, I get why didn't you get the 3.8 liter? I just didn't. I love the turbo. But this car last night, everybody seemed to love it. So, like I said, enjoy the video, and I love my car. What's going on, everyone? So I'm at a car meet, and just chilling with some people, just chilling. We found somebody I didn't know existed. Oh shit, he's like cool. Anyway, yeah, it's Joe Dirt, and if you don't believe me, walk around. I gotta walk on the front of this guy and get him.
You having fun leading against your car? Having fun? We all know what you're doing. We all know what you're doing. We know what you're doing.
We saw. You were only looking one way.
You were only looking one way. Yeah, you know what way when you look over and then
you're just like and of course you do this. I like.
Nothing wrong with that. No.
I like how they yo, is his wait. I just noticed the sticker on his window. I don't know. We should ask him. We need to ask this dude who owns the Miata if he wants to build a wall. What was he? Makes fun of special needs people.
It tells everyone that they're fake news.
Yep. Just because of his Instagram name, his Instagram name. So if you guys don't see that, go check him out at Young Trump on Instagram.
He also says everyone's wrong, probably. Wrong.
Yeah.
And the main thing is.
Damn, yo, seriously? The one for the NSX.
The new one?
No, the old one.
Oh. There's actually a dude that is technically in our car club that has a.
Hey everybody! So I found the most interesting man in the world's Honda. I mean, come on, that's hot. That is hot.
No, you gotta post. No, go to the camera. Go to the camera.
I found another Hyundai. No, that's mine actually. I haven't seen Subarus. I'm just kidding. There's like 20 here.
I think that's an understatement.
20? 20 is an understatement?
Yeah, I think there's more.
Oh yeah,
there's a lot more.
They're
signaling.
Oh.
It's surprising that they're not signaling their people with me.
All right. This one dude's driving with a fidget spinner.
In a Lancer.
I need to drive with my fidget spinner. Just kidding. You ever want to snap one of these? It looks so nice, but guess what? Smack that ass. see how loud these Audis are. God. God, do it again. Yo, that shit sounds fucking sick.
Yeah, pretty much. That's fucking crazy. This is ridiculous. Yeah, this is like crazy. Yo, you best start learning how to do it. Right?
You stop the show at a car meet, you just show up in that.
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove. And now you've got yourself something funky.
What's going on, everyone? So that was a little meet at in Meriden. I won't say little, actually pretty big, pretty cool. Met some cool people. Definitely gonna come back again. So and definitely, you know, there are a whole lot of Subarus, but yeah, it happens. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about this video, about the cars that we saw and things like that. And hopefully I caught that race. If I didn't, let me know. But until next time, you don't have to be great to get started. You just have to get started to be great. Have a safe night. Peace.